Yes, so today I want to discuss about one business opportunity that is dish wash bar. In every home, every woman will use dish wash bar. So how it will be made, what are the benefits, and all these we can discuss now. Dish wash bar and liquid are the popular consumer items globally apart from the domestic use. Hotels, restaurants, and different other institutions use this item for cleaning the kitchen utensils. You can start this production business with a small capital investment. Usage: dishwash bar and liquid. Just a minute. Yes, usage. Dishwash bar and liquid are the popular consumer items globally. Apart from the domestic use, hotels, restaurants, and different other institutions use this item for cleaning the kitchen utensils. You can start this production business with a small capital investment. What is the best dishwashing detergents? Here are the best dishwasher detergents are there. Best overall: Finish Quantum Max Power Ball tablets. Best on budget: Kirkland Premium Dishwasher Packs. Best gel detergent: Palmolive Eco Plus. Best powder detergent: Cascade Complete Powder. Best eco-friendly detergent: 7th generation Ultra Power Plus Dishwasher Packs. Is Fairy Liquid Dish Soap. Like a Fairy Dish Detergent, its traditional trademark is a walking baby. The Fairy brand has expanded further from the soap-based products and is now also used on automatic dishwashing products. The latest being Fairy Active Bursts. How can you make? How can I make my dishwashing liquid thicker? To thicken liquid soap base, first make a salt water solution. Pour your soap base into a mixing container. Pour your soap base into a mixing container and a small amount of the salt water solution directly to the soap base and stir. The amount you use will depend on how thick you want the soap to be. That is the thickening the liquid soap, how it will be, we are discussed. And dishwash soap kill germs on hands. Dishwash soap does get rid of germs and viruses like hand soap. Dish soap doesn't kill bacteria, but it lifts them off surfaces so that they can be washed away by water. How do you make a homemade dish wash bar? Ingredients and supplies you will need: 5.4 ounces of lye, 29 ounces coconut oil, and 1 ounce castor oil. This is how do you make homemade dishwash bar. How do you make a homemade dishwash bar? Ingredients and supplies you will need: 5.41 ounces of lye, 29 ounces coconut oil, 1 ounce castor oil, fragrance or essential oil. Optional, one used 10x orange and individual bar soap mold that will hold a total of 45 ounces. I use 2 of these bar soap molds. Stick blender. What detergent is best for washing dishes? You will want to use a dishwashing detergent with effective cleaning performance regardless of the brand that you choose. Also learn about safety and ingredient information, directions for use and disposal. Does dish soap have oil in it? From the baked on crusty pans to the cakes of dirt on bumpers and windows behind the stuff you are attempting to clean off with bubbly passes of dish soap is a layer of oil. Even that has tiny bits of oil that makes it cling to hands, window sills or cars. Can I use laundry soap to wash dishes? Technically, yes, you can. You can use laundry detergent to wash your dishes either by hand or in a dishwasher. Read on to find out more on the differences between a dishwashing detergent and laundry detergent, why a laundry detergent is not good for dishwashing, and the best alternatives for dishwashing detergents. Which soap kills most germs? Which soap kills most germs? Antibacterial soap. As it turns out, antibacterial soap killed the most germs. Antibacterial soap had an average of 34 bacteria colonies, whereas hand sanitizer had an average of 55 bacteria colonies. Therefore, antibacterial soap clearly killed the most germs. Can you wash your hands with dishwashing liquid? While it is okay to wash your hands with dishwashing soap, that doesn't mean you can go wild and use it in place of your shower gel. Using dish soap on the rest of your body will likely be too harsh and drying on more delicate skin, says Dr. Papuntunoi. One thing I will say that I am also preparing the notes to explain you everything. And another thing is the same dishwash bar details you can see in my web page also. That description I will give in the description also. Once if you click in the description, directly you will go to my web page also. That is also will explain the same. But why I am doing this, already having a web page means, by hearing the dishwash bar YouTube video is there means it is easy to understand, then you will have an idea. So that I am doing this. That is the information I want to provide you. And what is the actual bar soap? Keep reading for our list of the 20 best antibacterial hand soaps in stock online. Soft soap antibacterial liquid hand soap, Dial antibacterial liquid hand soap, Solimo gentle and mild clear liquid hand soap, Dial Mountain fresh antibacterial bar soap, antibacterial oregano soap and defense soap. These are the types of antibacterial bar soaps also. This is the information I want to share with you, and this is the information I want to share with you. This is the, and another thing is, one thing I will say, any type of business product, not only wash bar soaps and all this, any type, you should have a moral scale. That is 70% should be your working cost and 30% will be your margin. If you maintain such a scale for everlasting, you will never be lost in the business, but it will take, beginningly it may take some time, but for the time being you will get a permanent process of profits and all these. So maintain 70-30. 70% is the working cost and 30% will be your margin. Without that margin, how you will survive? So that should be there. It is common in all business areas also, and at the same time you should get trade licenses and all these also. And another thing is, suppose if you want to do independently means, you should have a project plan. That is in MS Word, please type step 1, step 2, step 3, likewise what is the, where is the area to locate, and licenses and machinery, and where to you get, where you will get raw materials, and basic transportation, you are having your own vehicle or not. Transportation, truck, one truck is there means it is good for transportation of raw materials and all these. All these things you should have a plan of a project before starting the industry independently. Once, if you want to become an independent entrepreneur, first you should have a project plan. Then you can start it. Once I will say that once if you are starting means you should not have any research and development, because already everything should be in your document only. If any If you confuse anything, please go through the document and go do that, including manufacturing process, machinery, utility, and all these you should have a project report. That is a project plan report is there. That should be in MS Word with a clear understanding or documentation is there. It is easy to you to run independently without any risks. That is you should maintain. And one moral ethic also I will say that don't compromise regarding the quality, because if cost may increase also, other person is selling for 50% of the cost of our cost only, but I am able to sell. That means your cost is yours and your product is yours, your range is yours and your process is yours. Don't compare with others, but I will say only you should maintain 70% is the working cost and 30% your margin. If you maintain such margin, that is enough, but don't compromise regarding the quality of the product. Then you will be successful in the long run. And another thing is, customer will never forget if quality is not there. If quality is very good, he for the time being he will forget about the cost. So be careful and be sincere, then you will get a long run business. And one thing also I will say that in Google Business also, please share your manufacturing unit details and all these in Google Business with photos and some videos and one simple page of information. And all these are there, means if anyone is in that local area, the dishwash bars manufacturing means, if he wants to sell in the wholesale, they will see your shop manufacturing unit name and location, then he can contact you. So please maintain accurately your phone number, Gmail, and your, if you are having a web page also. If not there, that Google Business page is enough. If you maintain likewise, it will be, you will be successful in the long run. But don't spend too much of money on advertisements. But advertisement should be there, but certain level only. In social media also you can give ads frequently for every 3 or 4 months. Likewise in social media and as well as in Google Business, if you maintain it, it is enough. Then you will get very good profits also. So try to have such things also, then you will be successful. And another thing is, dishwash bars manufacturing means you should always distribute your visiting cards and pamphlets to the nearer to your location from 15 to 20 kilometers distance. I am saying that pamphlets you should distribute to the wholesale shops and retail shops of groceries also. If you distribute likewise in supermarkets also, if you distribute likewise, it is easy to them to call you, and they will get in wholesale and they will sell in retail. So such things will happen and you will be successful in this business. May God bless you and wishing you all the best.